Over the years, as your vehicle begins to shift or rust, you may notice your hood catch isn't closing very well or just plain damaged beyond repair. Ignoring that can lead to potential damage of your hood. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 Chevelle and El Camino hood catch assemblies. Our hood catch kit is manufactured from robust steel and features a heavy-duty mounting bracket as well as the adjustable striker bolt for secure latching of the hood. In addition, the pin and bracket are pre-threaded for a very straightforward installation. At the end of the production, we coat the bracket and pin with an electrodeposit primer, also known as an EDP coating. EDP coatings are used to protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to prep and paint your part without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.